Hey, why UB Tech? That's a great question.
And I had an instructor that told me, why not try? So after that, changed my perspective, started going to class every day, learned that I love construction. So I've chose to come back to UB Tech every single trimester for the remainder of high school and finish my construction certificates and compete in Skills USA. And now I use it in my everyday life, and it's blessed me and others in a lot of ways. And it's my favorite thing I've ever done, best choice I've ever made.
It's literally a perfect place. There's so many opportunities that lead you anywhere that you could possibly want to go. The people here are amazing. I mean, as a student ambassador, the people who run it are amazing. Like Amy, one of my favorite people ever. She can always make you laugh. And it's not just the instructors here too, it's the other students as well. Like, I have met some of my closest friends here.
I would say that UB Tech, it brings a lot of opportunity, and you're always, there's always a chance for you to succeed if you have the right determination. And I feel like the more work you put in, the more effort they will to make sure that you get where you want to go.
Staying with family and saving some money has been great. The educators here are top-notch, and I'm in the automotive program, and we're always pushing the boundaries with the new equipment that comes out, and that's why I chose UB Tech.
Because I want to be able to accomplish feats that I didn't realize I could accomplish. I want to be able to find strengths that I didn't know I had. It's been a great opportunity to learn and further my education.
I really wanted to learn exactly how motors worked and vehicles worked, and so I really just took a chance to go to UB Tech and go meet an awesome instructor and learn about all the vehicles on the road and how they work and how to work on them.
I decided to come back to UB Tech because I knew that the hands-on learning was something that I needed, and it was something that I would succeed in. So why UB Tech? Because I think that everyone that is wanting to work in the workforce has a place here.
The teachers, the staff are very helpful. They're one-on-one with you, especially in the nursing program. It's so hard, and they're willing to take the time with me to help me understand my needs and where I need to improve on. They're willing to take the time from their personal time, to message me and say, hey Liz, how are you doing? Are you doing okay?
I love the community of UB Tech. I love the resources of UB Tech. I enjoy essentially everything about UB Tech. I think that it's kind of a no-brainer when you're looking into technical colleges in the UNF Basin area, and I love everything about it. I don't really know what else to say.
And UB Tech's choice in being able to have Tyler McKee over here is one of the best ones that they could have ever made. He's had hands-on experience, and not only does he show us hands-on experience, he has stories and he has personal information and job outputs and places where we can go work after high school and even in high school.
In the medical assistant program, I was able to leave with my phlebotomy certificate, mental health first aid. I'm able to go out into the workplace and use all of my skills every single day. Not only that, the one-on-one that I received while doing the medical assistant program helped me become who I am today.
In the culinary program, I was excited to learn more how to bring people together in sharing the art of food, because let's admit, who doesn't love food?
This is a place that offers you trade skills and knowledge that you need to know in the workforce. There's a great shortage of trade skilled people in the workforce right now, and it's a great benefit to you if you come here. All the individuals here and teachers help you where you're at. They can meet any level you need, even if you have a busy schedule.
So why UB Tech? I mean, why not?